Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to make a lab power supply at home. It also has a female USB which can be used to charge a mobile. For this project we will need a female USB port, a 7805 IC which converts all the voltages to 5 volt, a speaker wire connector of 4 ports, and a female DC port in which we can attach the 12 volt adapter. Firstly, take a piece of cardboard and cut the diagram of the paper which is pasted on it. After cutting, the piece looks like this. With the help of a ruler, bend all the 4 sides such that we can make a cuboid from this. Now, mark the cuttings of the speaker wire connector with the help of a pencil. Also mark the cuttings of the female USB port. Leaving some space in the sides, cut it. Cut the shaded area. We can see that the components get fit in their respective places. Now knot the speaker wire connector on the case. Here I am using small nuts and bolts. You can also paste it with the help of hot glue. The whole structure looks like this. Let's move on. Now solder 2 wires on the female USB port and insert it in its place. Paste it with the help of hot glue on the backside. Do it carefully but paste it nicely. Now connect the positive and the negative terminal of the USB to the positive and negative terminal of one side of the speaker wire connector. Now drill a hole and pass a nut through one side of the cardboard and screw the 7805 IC on it. Here I am not using the heatsink, but you can also use the heatsink for long use. Now connect the positive and negative terminal of the input 12 volt to the first and the second pin of the 7805 IC. The connections are very easy, but I will also provide the circuit diagram in the description and we will also discuss about the circuit diagram in the end. Now solder 2 small wires, we can also call it as a jumper wire, on the third and the second pin of the 7805 IC. Sorry, but I have changed the wires. I have connected the 2 wires to the positive and negative terminals of the output 5 volt DC from where we are connected the USB port. Now connect another wire to the first pin of the IC and connect it to the 12 volt DC output positive terminal. The 2 grounds of the 5 volt and the 12 volt output as common. Here you can use a small wire for connecting these both. Here I am going to show you the circuit diagram. I have drawn it live, so please watch till end without forwarding the video. Now our circuit is completed. Now we get two output, that is 5 volt and 12 volt DC output and one 12 volt input. Paste the sides to make a box, and now our project is ready. Let's move on to the testing part. Here I am using a 12 volt 2 ampere adapter. You can also use adapters of other voltages, but you will get the varied volt in the output, one as 5 volt and one as the adapter you have taken. Now let's measure with the help of a multimeter. We get around 5 volts in the first two positive and the negative terminals of the power supply, and we get around 12 volts in the last two positive and negative pins. It gives around 2 amperes as the output. We can also charge a mobile with it. Firstly, insert a data cable into the female USB port, and when we insert the port into the mobile, we see that it starts charging. I have also shown you with the help of another mobile phone. When you insert the pin inside the mobile phone, it gets charged. We can see here. And if I remove the pin, it gets discharged. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like this. Please like and subscribe.